Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now you can add loyalty card, gift card and payment card, as well as transit pass to your account. Let's focus on these three passes. First, let's select transit pass. And if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select loyalty card and simply select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Scan your card and then enter your member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. In the end, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet button. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Pay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.